Uh, Good morning, GUVI team. I am Narasimhan. I basically came from a mechanical background student. I just completed my diploma in mechanical engineering at 2020. So I studied in vernacular medium my total entire education career. One of my cousin in take a job in IT. He's a full stack developer. He suggests to me why you would like to study full stack development. You have a good knowledge about computer, so you can try it. He told me like that. So I tried some programming language like JavaScript. So I studied in pre-code camp myself studies only with my self study. So sometimes I ask some doubts to him. He clarifies many doubts to me. So once a time he suggests to me to join a GUVI because that platform have a huge response from South India to overall nation, our nation. So that I also Google it. Then many kind of interviews, then many kind of articles read about GUVI. So that is the breaking point for my searching about the full stack development course idea. So I turned to the GUVI. So I applied pre-boot camp in February. So they conduct an interview and some examinations for main boot camp. That time I have 2 days, I think weekend, they taken some uh, pre-boot camp classes. Then they prepare for a main boot camp examination. That class will class as very beautiful. I think I learned a lot more in my compared to my self studies. So I would like to whatever I joined to go is my one only my dream. Not taken job in on that only not my dream. I also have a dream to yeah, go into the GUVI to studies. So that time I put effort little bit more before I studied myself. I clear it. Then my roadmap start in March first week in last month. So that time I little bit have a little struggle to learning a new thing from full stack development. JavaScript roadmap is started. So the GUVI have a code kata. So code katas have many subcategories like input, output, array questions, and string questions, like many type of subcategories in that code kata session. So I really tough to attend that question and answers. Then they conduct a audition session for the code kata. I learn about little bit more. Then I solve a lot of questions in the time. But still I have a doubt. They also still clarifying my doubts also. That is the beauty of GUVI. Another thing, it have a native language courses also, it's available. So that is only main thing to I join GUVI, because I have understand the English. I know little bit have communication skill, but learning is must in our vernacular language, because we have to put in new information or new technologies in via in our vernacular language. That is the very big foundation in our mind and brain. So we can easily uh, easily idea about that overall things in a depth way. So Gu is one of the best choice for that. I think I traveling in a good way, in good hands. Mentors also very well. Uh, they have a good knowledge. Then they have a clear vision to the way of become great developers. That is my point. Thank you, Guri. Uh, Thank you, everyone. Thank you, please continue.